Hello everyone! A very warm welcome to my Franek The Rocket channel. Yes, I know. I've been away for a bit, but I have super news for you. I'm back with a new exciting project. Today, we're going to make something that flies. Well, maybe not exactly flies, but in reality, such inventions do fly. We're going to make a rocket. And not just any rocket, but one made from cardboard. But before we start, we need to prepare our cosmic tools. These are our cosmic scissors. We'll need them to cut the cardboard. Remember, always cut carefully. We also have cosmic glue stick. Thanks to it, our rocket will hold together. And of course, a cosmic ruler, pencil, and crayons are markers, so everything is straight, even, and colorful. Because in space, precision is key. And masking tape or other adhesive tape, so our rocket has extra reinforcement. But you know what's the best part? I won't be doing this alone. I have my personal engineer to help me. Yes, my dad. Dad always helps me in more difficult moments and makes sure everything is safe. Hey Dad, we're ready. So get your tools ready and let's get to work. We're flying into space with Franek The Rocket. Let's start! So, we'll start by drawing the rocket with a pencil and ruler, so it has even elements. Look who visited us! Luigi wanted to say hello to you. Okay, now it's time to color. Try to color evenly to cover the surface of the rocket element uniformly. Use colors that you like because it's your rocket after all. All that's left is to cut it out, and for that, I'll ask Dad to do this special task. And we're almost at the end, which is gluing the rocket's legs so it can stand on a shelf. The rocket is ready. Oh, look, my dears! How did you like this episode? Do you want more such creative fun? If so, I invite you to comment and like. We will surely come up with many more interesting missions to create extraordinary things, whether from paper or clay. See you in the next episode. And soon, my website will be launched with lots of interesting games and coloring pages to download for free.